You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these delicious goat cheese from France, from an area, the Cher region, around the Loire Valley, around Sancerre. It goes perfect with Sancerre wine. Anyhow, Crottin de Chavignol, that's your French pronunciation. If you want to learn more cheese names, French food names, absolutely stay tuned. We've got tons of pronunciations here. Crottin de Chavignol, if you cannot pronounce French. Crottin de Chavignol. Crottin de Chavignol. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.